The All India Institute of Medical Sciences in Delhi is scheduled to start phase 1 and 2 of human clinical trials for the indigenously developed COVID-19 vaccine candidate Covaxin on Monday. AIIMS Delhi is among the 12 sites where human trials for Covaxin will be conducted. Here is all you need to know about the AIIMS trials. The human trial at AIIMS Delhi have started after Drug Controller General of India, India's top drug regulator, had recently given a green signal for Covaxin human clinical trials. Covaxin has been developed by the Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech in collaboration with the Indian Council for Medical Research and the National Institute of Virology. AIIMS Delhi had registered a few volunteers for the trial. These volunteers will be undergoing health screening on Monday before they are administered Covaxin. Total 375 volunteers were listed for human clinical trials, out of which AIIMS Delhi will be choosing only 100 participants for the first and second phase of the trials. Rest of the volunteers will undergo trials at a different site. ICMR has notified 12 sites where the trial for Covaxin will be taking place. On July 17th, human trials for Covaxin began at Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences in Rohtak on Friday, where 3 volunteers were administered Covaxin. Trials have started at AIIMS Patna and few other places as well. Another facility which will be starting the process of human trials for Covaxin is Redkar Hospital in North Goa's Pernam Taluka. The North Goa-based private hospital is among the 12 listed facilities. Redkar Hospital will be selecting 10 volunteers from Goa, and instead of randomizing, the facility will select volunteers on basis of eligibility. The reports for prospective volunteers have been sent to Delhi to ascertain their eligibility, following which those who clear the selection criterion will be administered Covaxin. Any healthy individual who pushes to participate in the trial can send in an email or send an SMS or call. Volunteers should have no comorbid conditions and should not have a history of COVID-19. Volunteers between the age of 18 and 55 years would be eligible to participate in the randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled clinical trial. Besides Covaxin, DCGI has also permitted pharma giant Zydus Cadila to conduct phase 1 and 2 clinical trials on humans for COVID-19 vaccine. Both Covaxin and Zydus Cadila's vaccine candidate got the approval for human trials after successful toxicity studies in rats, mice and rabbits. These are only 2 indigenous vaccine candidates that have reached the human trial phase in India. A TOI online report.